Happy birthday.
You ready to? Because Nikki's stupid. You ready to? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, come on, shoulder. Wait, let me. Hey guys, and welcome back. If this is your first time tuning in, my name's Nikki, and thanks so much for watching. For today's video, I just want to do a get ready with me. It's my cousin's birthday, Christina. We're about to go eat dinner at Vic and Anthony, so I thought that I would just let you guys get ready with me and get together this monochromatic orange type of vibe. It's a very simple eye look, but I tried out a new lip today. I've had it for quite some time, but I've never actually worn it out, so I was excited to get a chance to dabble into that. And I'm going to go ahead and vlog as well in this video, so don't forget to stay tuned for some of the vlog footage from the dinner and whatever else we do tonight. So before we jump to the video, you guys already know the drill. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash subscribe, hit like, and let's jump into the video. Alright.
See who winning, you see who got it, you see I'm still in the back making the pop.
Hey guys, I'm here. I'm back. So Ken has the music blasting out there. Let's just try to ignore it. I hope it's not too loud, but we're in the Christmas spirit. Got the Temptations on, but hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm going to try to project a little bit louder than normal. So we're about to go to my cousin's birthday dinner, so I wanted to get ready and bring you guys along with me. I'm going to try to vlog a little bit tonight, so I thought this would just be like the perfect idea and perfect opportunity to record. I am about an hour behind. It's 7:35 and I need to be gone by like 8:30, so I'm just starting out with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I'm just going to fill in my brows. And this is in the shade dark brown. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Cabral by Benefit. I'm in the shade number 6, as you guys can see. I'm going to use this to set my brows even further and make them look a little bit more sharp. I swear we just had a guy moving upstairs and he is so effing loud. Like, every time he walks, we can like hear him. It's like he's running a marathon. As you guys can see, like I don't use a lot of this. I just kind of use it to sharpen them up and make them look more like precise and just fill in any gaps that were present from the pencil. I want to go ahead and move on to the, well, actually I'm going to do my eyes next because I want to do a wing liner and I still don't know how to do wing liner on top of foundation. So Ken and I have been doing this thing where we're like making a bunch of different Moscow mules so that for Christmas Eve when we go to my mom's house, we can like do a little tasting. We've done about 5 so far, but I want to taste like about 10 different mules so that when we go over there, we can at least have like a variety of 5 to choose from. It's going to be so much fun. So this one is the peppermint or like mint Moscow mule. It's really good. I don't know what he put in it, but it's bomb, bomb, bomb. Oh my God, this guy is like so loud. I cannot. Going in with the Smashbox concealer. And I'm just going to kind of clean up my brows just a little bit. They aren't too bad, but I'm over it. I'm going to use that same Smashbox concealer to just set my lids a little bit further. This concealer isn't like as matte as I would like my eyeshadow primer to be, but we're in a rush, so we're just going to make do with what we have, honey. And I'm just going to go on with the Maybelline Loose Setting Powder in medium deep and just set my lids with some of that so that my eyeshadow doesn't budge. For the eyes, I'm just doing something super simple again, guys. I'm sorry, but like I'm just into the simple eyeshadow vibes. I'm going to be picking up the Morphe 24G palette. You guys saw me talk about this in my Black Friday and Cyber Monday haul, and I have taped the colors to the lid since that video, so I'm proud of myself. I don't know. I want to do something that kind of matches my top. I really need to clean my brushes, so don't judge me. Like I was going to clean them today. It's probably part of the reason why I've been breaking out. I cannot wait to go to get my facial tomorrow because it's just a mess. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's in the color Brassy. I'm going to pick up that color and just go in my transition. I'm going to keep this. Ooh. We were going to keep it super simple, but that just happened. I wanted to go with the color that kind of like matched my top. I'm wearing like this bright orange dress. So Morphe eyeshadows really rarely disappoint. Like most of the palettes I have from them, I believe, are like metallics or like shimmer colors. And I've really been excited to find a palette that has like a variety of mattes and pigments, and this one definitely has that. Yes, it's cute. Brassy. Spritzer, I know you have my freaking thing, like stop. I'm gonna go into the color Mooch. I think this one might be a cute color to just pack onto the outer corner. You guys see that a little bit. I'm just gonna pack it on the outer corner. I want to keep it super simple. So that's all I'm gonna do right now for the lids. I wanted to keep it super simple. Just 2 colors. Super simple tees. So now I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D. No, I wish I was going with Kat Von D. So now I'm gonna go in with the Tarteist eyeliner in the color black, and I'm just gonna be applying a wing. Okay, I'm going to talk minimal because Ken is in there like doing the most. So for lashes, I'm going to be going into the Lily lashes. This is so stupid. Like, why don't you have the name of it on here? Like, this is cray. I'm going to add a little bit more of Mooch onto the outer corner. You guys know this is like one of my favorite things to do. And it doesn't change just because I'm going for a simple eye look. Ken is literally playing my favorite song right now. So I'm going to go in with the Tatcha Water Gel Moisturizer and just apply that all over my face. And next I'm going to be going in with the Cover FX Mattifying Primer with Acne Treatment. I'm going to be going back into the Maybelline Loose Setting Powder, and I'm going to be applying that all over my face. And this is just going to soak up some more of that excess oil that may produce throughout the night. So I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Super Stay. Is this Super Stay? Yeah, the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I'm going to be using the colors Coconut and Warm Sun. I was calling you earlier when that song came on, but you ignored me.
I was in the shower.
I heard you say immediately after, like, don't move. I'm going to be blending that out with a Sephora Beauty Sponge.
Oh, I told them y'all not to come in. So, you see this on the ground?
Yes, please pick it up. I've been trying to...
I should get a, what's the name for that?
Oh, what? A shout out?
See, look.
I saw that. He picked it, he got it off of my table over there.
See where it went.
So this foundation is super full coverage, so a little bit goes a long way. But since I'm having like some problematic skin areas, I'm gonna kind of build it a little bit more than norm. But as you can see, like I had some acne, like pigmentation over here, and I didn't add any color correction, and it literally like covered up everything. My camera cut off, but I was just saying that this 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline is literally my top foundation right now. I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape, of course, in the colors Deep and Tan Sand. So I'm not gonna like highlight too much on my forehead. I'm gonna take some of that leftover concealer and just kind of apply some here. So I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and just apply that all over my concealer to make sure it does not budge throughout the night. I promise I planned on cream contouring today, and literally right here at this moment, I realize that I can't now. I'm going to go back in with the Brassy, which is the color that I applied in my transition, and just apply that to my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with Mooch again and just apply that like on the outer corner. I'm going to go in with this eyeliner right here by NYX. It's in the color Auburn. I'm going to be going in with, not the Chill Baby, I'm going to go in with the Lash Voluminous Paradise. I'm going to let that dry a bit, and while it's drying down, I want to go ahead and dust off a little bit of the baking powder that I applied on the lower half of my face and my forehead. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark and just set my face a little bit further. I'm going to go in with the Nicrenoonbeauty Contour and Highlight Kit in the colors Deep and Deep Dark and just carve out my cheeks. Literally one of my favorite contour kits to date, I promise. Like, I haven't used my Anastasia Beverly Hills in forever. I'm going to be going into blush now that I have my face all set and ready to go. So I think the colors that make sense today is going to be Sexy and Driven. Those colors make the most sense with this look today, so we'll see. So now I'm going to be going in with my #1 favorite highlighter, or like my favorite base highlighter. I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty in Ginger Bench and Moscow Mule. I really could just leave it like this. I just love this color. Oh, I feel like my camera is like up higher. But now I'm going to go in with the Becca Champagne Pop and just apply that on top. So pretty. Oh, I forgot to contour my nose. I'm going to be going back into the KKW palette. I'm going to be picking up these same 2 shades and just contour my nose a wee bit. I'm going to apply some of that Becca Champagne Pop down the center. I need to do my brow bone and my inner tear duct. I want to go back into the Morphe palette. I'm going to apply this shade right here, which could be a transition shade, but it could be a brow bone highlight. This is the color Creamer. I'm going to apply that. Some of creamer in my inner tear ducts just because I'm going to keep this eye look rather matte. This one, I actually like this eye look. It's matte. Thinking of a name. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay D-Slick. So I'm going to go ahead and do my hair off camera. I know you guys are sick of hearing me say that, but I don't have my flat iron in here and I need to like go in my bathroom and look at my face under natural light to see like if there's any changes that need to be made. So I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my hair really quick, put on my lip, and then I'll be back with my outro. So actually I'm pretty upset. I just realized that when I was stopping my tape, my microphone wasn't on, so that means that you will either have heard a voiceover for like the last half of my video, or you heard like a video with a little bit of background fuzz or noise. I don't know. I'm kind of devastated about it because I was excited about this video. That was an amateur mistake. So I'm going to be going in with the NYX lip liner in Espresso. So I'm actually going in with a liquid lipstick, and I'm kind of scared because my lips are a little bit chapped. But I'm going to be picking up the Kylie Cosmetics in the color Rad. As you can see, it matches my top. So I've never worn this color out, so let's see what the tea is. It doesn't look that bad. Like, I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter on the top of my lip, aka Cupid's bow. So guys, this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it was very simple. Follow along, type of get ready with me. We're about to go to dinner, so I think I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys along with me so that I can vlog a little bit. I know I haven't vlogged in a while, since probably my bachelorette party, I think. So yeah, I want to apologize again for the second half of the video. I'm not sure at this moment if I have done a voiceover or if I just let you guys endure the little staticky background. But I was really excited about this video, and that kind of made me a little bit sad because I'm thinking, oh my God, like I could have sworn I pressed my microphone. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the vlog footage. And until my next one, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Ooh. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no.
And I said, brother, help me please. But he winds up.
Happy birthday.
You ready to do it again? Because Nikki's stupid. You ready to? 1, 2, 3.
Yay! And many more. Come on, Pink. You better blend that crease with the lip. I see you. Okay, come on. Blow it out. Use those lungs, girl. Use those lungs.
I'm just saying you don't be blowing out candles.
Watch your mouth in front of my auntie.
Yeah.
Woo! Happy birthday!
Let me say that.
I see you!
All right, ready?
We weren't paying no attention.
Wait.
Are we doing it again?
Thank you.